Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a website called Yazink, and we're going to be learning how it can make money for us. Okay, so this is Yazink sitting on the official website. So Yazink is a site where you can shop to earn, or you could promote to earn, as you can see here. I'm simply already into the account. Let me just log out and then we look at how it looks. Okay, we'll see how it looks. So I'm currently logged out. It's taking some time. So this is how it looks like when you go to www.yazink.com. Okay, so let's look at some deals. So if you're not a member of the Yazink website here, excuse me, all you have to do is to click this button right here, join now, or this very one up here. But if you're already a member, you just have to log in. Already I'm a member, but let's just take steps in how to join. So when you get to this page, you fill out the following fields to sign up. So I'm gonna have an Boss03 as my username, my password, or whatever. Just type in your password and then you repeat your password here. So when you get to the email, you put in your email, and then all you have to do is to click the send button or register now button. Or you can still join with Facebook. That's cool. You could read the terms and privacy policy before you join if you like. But I'm already a member, so I'm just going to log in so that we look at exactly how it looks like. So we go to login. So I am currently logging in. So this is my account. So this is how it looks like from the beginning. It's either you shop to earn or you promote to earn. But we want money here. We're not going to shop. We just want to promote a product, and then we earn from it as an affiliate. So I'm an affiliate of this program. So I want to promote something, a product called Bluehost. So I'll just type Bluehost, and this is Bluehost. So we have Bluehost. Your cash reward after promoting this product is $65. So all you have to do is to click the promote to earn. After clicking promote to earn, you see an affiliate link. So all you have to do is to copy the affiliate link, and then you go to your social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere you want to post it. So whenever you post this product and someone clicks it and buys it or purchases it, then I think you're gonna make $65. So there are other products here, a lot. We even higher commission, $500, and we have $70 too. So whatever you wish to do, you just promote it, and then you share the link with anyone who wants to buy Bluehost. And when the person purchases it, then you make a commission out of it. It's a very, very cool thing, and I love it personally. So thanks for watching. If you want more videos, I'll be uploading more. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notification to all, and don't miss any videos. Stay happy. Thank you all.